We're just gonna glide it across the seam. And when we do that, it's just gonna easily allow us to pass right on through. And we're gonna do this for the entire thing. See that? Let's see. Oh, nice. You see how it's nice and hollow? We're gonna put a filling in there. And now that we have our bunny, we're gonna take one, trace an outline of our cake. So let's take the other half and fit it right here. And we place that one there. We're gonna grab our little knife here and start cutting all the way down the side. And drive it all the way. And we're almost done. We'll set this aside. We'll take our spatula. And I know we left a lot of cake behind, but we're gonna use that later. Take our chocolate bunny off. There we go. And before we take the next one, we're gonna take some buttercream, just a little bit, and just lay it down. And we're gonna take these bamboo skewers and run it all the way through. And this is to make sure that it is just more structurally sound. And I'm gonna put it in until it's nice and firm. So we have our bunny, it's nice and chilled. So let's pick it up. We're gonna take our buttercream and we'll go around the base. But we're only gonna put a little bit because this is what we're gonna do a crumb coat. Okay, finish that up and we'll take our pecans, grab a handful and just scoop them in and tap, tap, tap. And what we're gonna do is start piping some carrots. Press and move. And then we're gonna take our other bag and give it like a little green. And we're gonna put a little bit here. And we're gonna take those scraps that we had earlier from when we shaped the cake, and we're just gonna put it and stuff it as much as we can. And we're gonna put this right here. We'll make sure that's nice and secure, and then we'll go ahead and make our next step. So let's take our chocolate egg here, and with a warm knife, we're just gonna cut the top off. And we're almost there. Just keep it going. And there we are. So let's make our cocktail. And so let's take our Guinness. We'll need a little bit. And we'll take some Baileys. It's gonna be delicious and thick and perfect. Here, and we'll blend it up. We're gonna pour in this milkshake mixture. Let's pour that in. The last little bit, and then we'll make our next decor. So with our yellow white chocolate and this Guinness, as I heard, if you open a can of Guinness, there's a ball on the inside. And we'll make our next step. And we'll take this ball here, we're gonna wrap it in cellophane. We're gonna dip halfway, bring that up, and then into some ice water to release. So we have our yolks here. What we're gonna do is top them right onto our milkshake. And the last one, pop it right on. So let's go ahead and put everything together, starting by, and we'll add a straw. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Us here at Chef Club wish you a happy Easter, and we hope you tune in again at chefclub.tv.